got it.
There we go. Okay, guys, we are on our way to the grocery store to go get some ramen noodles and some what else? What else are we getting?
A couple of
Items for our next challenge. And it's freaking cold outside. It's cold as a bitch out here.
It's -6.
And I'm here wearing a freaking leather jacket. Okay, so we're going in opposite directions because I have to find some like nasty objects for the game, for the challenge that we're about to do. So right now I'm gonna search for something gross. This is hard. I don't know what to get. Guys, should I? I don't know. He's gonna kill me. He's like really gonna kill me. Oh, this is nasty. Okay, I need one more item. One more item. I think I know what I'm gonna do. Okay, so for the last item, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab an egg from her house. That's gonna be the last item. I don't care. I'm just gonna have to eat it. It's so gross.
Let's see, what can we get? I'm debating between these or some Aki. Oh no, these are probably a cooler texture. They figure out something else I can grab. Oh, they do have it. Amazing. Literally the number one thing I have been looking all over this grocery store for is this right here. Artichoke hearts. I think these are probably the most disgusting thing ever created. I don't know why they're even like something that you could purchase. They're so gross. That's it. I've got my items.
We're going to do a what's in your mouth challenge, and basically how it's going to work is we are going to have feed each other basically a food that we picked out earlier in the grocery store, and then what we're going to do is if you guess it wrong, your consequence is going to be to take a shot of some alcohol that we have over here, or shoot a text message to a person we have already previously picked for each other to text, and we are going to pick a random weird text message to send to that person and just kind of screw up their Friday, I guess. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. Oh my god. This is gross.
Open your mouth! Explain it.
It looks like a fruit snack or something.
Yeah,
Oh!
wow! Good Woo! Ew, what the hell is that?
You have to eat it.
I'm so mad right now. Ew, what is that? Is this something you can eat? Because this is really gross. It's salty and it's hard. It's like I'm eating cat shit.
Yeah. Beef jerky!
So gross. Okay.
You got it wrong. You gotta pick one of these.
Woo!
What'd you get?
Shot. Alana's turn.
Better be.
Oh, don't worry. Okay, are you ready?
It's gross. It better not be a big spoon, too.
No, you have to shoot it. Shoot it.
What?
What?
Doesn't happen.
Ah! This is fucking dog food! This is fucking dog food!
Doesn't happen. Ah! Who buys these? Why are these for sale in the grocery
What it
store?
looks like. Okay. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Ah, shoot!
What is it?
Woo! Shoot! I guess I gotta shoot.
Oh my god, I gotta think what to say. Anything?
Anything.
Anything. Honestly, I've been thinking about you lately, and I was wondering if you wanted to take it to the next level.
Oh my god, no!
I'm gonna throw up.
You want to spit it out? Yeah. It's store-bought mac sauce, baby!
You don't know what it is? It tastes 10 times worse.
Right?
Oh shit.
Shoot a shot, buddy. Shoot. Yes! Yes, 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 yes.
So she's gonna have to text one of my friends.
Yeah, I'm literally gonna write shoot, I think I'm pregnant. Or I don't know what to do, I think I'm pregnant.
I'm hot. I'm so hot. Okay, guys, this is what it is. My stomach's churning.
Oh my god, it's in a glass jar, so it's probably really cold. Okay, I just have a napkin ready.
Are you ready? Open your mouth.
I'm never ready for it.
Hold on. Open your mouth. Open.
Can I smell it?
Just open your mouth. Why are you spitting it out? You have.
Oh, what the fuck is that?
It's dripping.
What the fuck is that? It tastes.
I'm too
I
hot.
think it was like sour cream.
It's definitely not sour.
What the fuck is this?
It's a raw egg.
Are you fucking serious? I want to puke.
Shot. Knew it. Woo! Okay. Next. No, I don't want to do it.
Okay, you want to smell?
No, I don't want to smell it. Fuck that.
You ready? This is a breakfast staple. How did you not get this? Conversation is getting juicy.
Lord. I'm so scared.
Yes! Shoot! Yes! Yes!
It's shoot,
yes.
guys. Oh my god. This is too much. Here.
Right.
Take it away, girl.
Good, because you're literally a perfect dad. But to be honest, I don't remember who and when the last time I had unprotected
Oh my god!
sex. I've done it so many times in the last month.
What is going on? Like, what is
A couple of guys. I'm so embarrassed.
No. 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 No! No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
I'm smelling underfits and it's
Are you-
making my stomach.
Are you ready? What? You solved it? You solved it? You solved it?
Sriracha?
Yeah, how'd you know? That was so good.
Ooh, I know my hot
It's
sauce.
not hot? What the fuck? It's hot pepper sauce.
Yeah, I'm stressed out.
It smells, it smells.
I'm
I'm just smelling like throw up and shit.
Swallow
Ah! Ah! Oh no, I don't know.
Maybe if you swallow it.
Oh,
No. Shoot or shot time, girl.
I know, that's good. Kind of.
I needed a good little. Is it shoot?
Is it shoot again? Fucking shoot.
It's fucking shoot.
Why? Why?
Yes.
You're doing me so dirty right now. Oh my god.
Honestly, I get tested so frequently because I've had so many partners. I always want to make sure I'm clean, especially in my line of work.
Seriously? What? Okay, so this is the end of our challenge. She clearly won, and she made my life a living hell. I'm gonna have so much problems trying to clear this whole thing up. My mouth smells like ass, I'm sure. Too.
It's not pleasant because it's like the alcohol mixed with the pepper.
Like, it's like I
coming
can
out
taste it. It's like so bitter. It's so
Yeah.
hot. Yeah, so that's the end of our challenge, and we're gonna tag 2 people. So I'm going to tag Ash and Akila to do this challenge and do the twist to it. So do the shot and shoot.
And I am going to be cliche and I'm going to tag my sister.
That's about it. We're gonna wrap this thing up.
Yeah,
It's
seriously, I
like-
have to brush my teeth immediately.
it's so bad.
Like, right now.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to both of our channels.
We'll tag our names somewhere.
There's
in
so much
our-
like. Okay, bye guys.